respected Anand sir, Vinod Kumar sir, Maheshwari ma'am, and the lovely teachers, the teaching as well as the non-teaching staff, and the honorable parents and the other guests. A very good evening to all of you present here. First and foremost, I would like to thank the Almighty for giving me an opportunity. Every time I thank the Almighty because nothing happens without the supreme power. So being here amongst you all is a great pride and pleasure for me and a blessing for me. So thank you so much for inviting me for this auspicious occasion. After listening to the annual report, I think the parents are really blessed to have your children at Ragas. I want you all to join with me to give a big round of applause to Maheshwari ma'am, Vinod Kumar sir, and all the teachers, dedicated teachers. They are all, I can see God in them actually, because teaching small kids like this is not at all easy. I can go and get a PhD student easily, very easily. But these kids are equivalent to God. They don't have anything in their mind in a negative way. Whatever you say, they'll capture. So you are giving your child in the hands of Raga's team, trusting that they will shape your children for the future. So the trust what you have in them, they are keeping up with their promises 1,000 times more than the trust what you keep on them. So once again, I would like to congratulate Maheshwari ma'am for her complete dedication. Really, I've been observing her. I'm admiring her. I become a fan of her. Really, because this is not a job. So we need to understand that this is not something which you do for money. You can do anything for money, but not this, because you need lot of patience, lot of dedication. You have to surrender yourself completely for this fantastic career which she has chosen for the betterment of the children. So let me share few of my thoughts and experiences which may help you or which may support you in your life of parenting, because parenting is something which comes naturally. Nobody can be taught, because every child is unique. Every parent has a different experience in bringing up the child. There is no one single rule for, even for if you have two kids, parenting for your elder kid and younger kid will be different. Every